Finally, Toby, did you get the data I sent you?
I did, yes.
So? What is this thing? I've tried every Pokemon I have, and every move they have, and nothing's working.
Well, that's because this Pokemon isn't a type that you've experienced before.
Is it fairy type again? You know, back in my day, there wasn't all these weird new types. It was very simple. Psychic was the strongest, but fire type was the best anyway.
No, Professor, it's much different than that. The Pokemon you're tracking, it's a bird type.
Bird type? You mean like flying type?
No, it's nothing like that. This is something different.
It does have wings, I think. I think it has wings.
I never thought I'd run into something like this again, not since...
What? You can't just stop in the middle.
Nothing. I have to go.
Toby, hey, I need to know what I'm
I
dealing
really
with
can't
here.
talk
Toby!
any further. Good luck, Professor.
What are you keeping from me, Toby? What is bird type?